Did you know that Dermalogica has its own teenage skincare line? The Clear Start line was introduced quite a few years ago, but last year saw the introduction of 2 new products and the first celebrity endorsement that's been introduced as an ambassador, Toph, Queen of the Jungle, and she has been an amazing ambassador to bring to the teens directly through social media channels the influence of good skincare, true skincare, and finding what works individually for you. And she's been a great ambassador ever since and still working really closely with the brand. And so with the launch of the new products, I started doing some teen workshops. It's been a huge sort of amazing response feedback come from, and it's continued ever since I just done the first summer one. I've been getting inquiries more and more about teen workshops. It's a 45-minute session, and it takes you and the teen, so parent and teen together, through the art of cleansing, tone and moisturising, exfoliation, spots, squeezing. It's a very experimental age, puberty, where we start experimenting with skincare, fake tan, makeup, eyebrow shaping, body confidence, exercise, perhaps even diet and lifestyle as well. Socialising. Teen is a real experimental section, and it can be quite frustrating as well at times for both parent and teen. So it's quite nice as a skin centre for me to be able to offer this, and for me to be able to say, come in and let's start at least with some education on what to do and what not to do, and also what ingredients that are in products that really need to be avoided at this stage. And some of the real strong stuff that's out there for acne is not suitable for teenagers. They're fine, new, delicate skins. Their pH needs to be protected. Even something with like breakouts. The 2 new products focus on protecting the good bacteria on the skin, not just the bad bacteria, which a lot of them just literally overstrip and overtake off everything on the skin, which then can have that extra sort of resilience and maybe perhaps a worsening effect to it as well. So I try and cram in as much education as I can to the 45 minutes, and then from there it can lead on to obviously home care. It is a chargeable service, but that charge is redeemable against any purchases that are there, and the products range from about £17 to £20, so they're not an expensive range. They've been designed to literally think about everything that a parents would want: professional, correct ingredients and products, correct advised, and obviously a good price point in order for it to be feasible and affordable for everybody involved. So the workshop can be redeemed against any of your purchases, and then that maybe even lead on to something like a secondary workshop to learn maybe the art of makeup or foundation and colour, to learn the art of tanning application. So I can be that workshop source of information for you. Anything that you need that extra help with, then get in and get that information at your real hands, at the real fingertips. The social media is so amazing for us to be able to branch out, for me to do my videos to you, to tell you about what's going on, but there is obviously also on the flip side of that a lot of over influence, is how I would probably say, and we are being sold to in so many different areas, and being misguided, misleaded in knowing what to try next. And I mean, the skincare world alone is huge with what's available to us out there, so it's actually interesting to be able to just go straight to the professional, straight to what maybe your skin needs at the time, and then talk through from there any ever further course of action that you might need. So be it regular little check-ins, or 2 monthly, 3 monthly skincare treatments, a monthly treatment, a series of treatments, and just literally having those little snippets where we can then work on a course or just work on education. So if you're interested in any workshops at all for you and your team, then please get in touch.